Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Man, it's been a fun morning. I'm excited. We just won our 110th win over here. We took that on AVAX, and we are about to enter back into that trade and win another one, guys. So 111th win will probably be AVAX. It might be Mana, actually, or Matic. So make sure you guys are watching out for that. All right, guys, I'll show you how to get into the Telegram channel to take all of our trades, access the metrics, all that fun stuff in the second half of the video. But, guys, I want to dive into VET. Let's take a look at this. We are seeing a very bullish pattern here, a descending resistance, which I think our next target here is going to be right around either structure high of 7 cents or maybe actually back to structure high at around 10 cents, which would give us a nice projection here. I think probably the next move is going to be about a 34% move up here in the market. And I think this is very realistic. This is not an unrealistic prediction. After that move, I think the next target price we're just looking for is not a difficult area. It's pretty much just our break-even entry around 10%, which, guys, that's going to be around 100% profit. That's pretty ridiculous. This is a 98% possible profit that we could be seeing. But hold on, it's not just that good of news in the beginning of the video, because there are some signs that we could be seeing a drop here. So let's go over this. Trend dashboard, we're seeing majority of the indicators are green, so they are bullish. MACD, the 50, the 100 moving average, and the RSI are bullish. This is great. But do you guys see where we're currently at? Look at the trend exhaustion down here. Now look at the well money flow. Where are we at? Are we in the top section or bottom? We're in the top. This is where I'm looking for moves back down. If you take an ascending support line and you take a look at the current trend, if you come here and you look at this and you simply just pull this back up here, the next spot I'm looking for a move back down here for is right around this area of about 4 to 5 cents. Okay, I would say about 5 cents is realistic in here, but maybe about 4.8 cents. That's simply just touching this move down here, puts us then into a pressure point where I then think we're going to head up from there. Okay, let me show you guys some more signs here with the metrics, but let's talk about this really quickly. Those of you guys who are over here and you're getting into the markets and using these indicators, know that you need to watch this. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, you need to watch for drops back down. We see that clearly happening there. We saw trend exhaustion high here and well money flow was heading back up here. Where was that? It was before we saw the drop back down. Josh just emailed me, one of our teammates over here with the business. He's like, Travis, someone just emailed us and said, if I were to get one indicator, the price per swell money flow or trend exhaustion, which one would you get? I would get the trend exhaustion, guys. And it also comes with alerts. So that's in the description as well. I want you guys to pay attention to the accuracy over here of when this pushes in the top red section and well money flow is high. We are seeing correlations of moves back down in the market so you guys can actually get out of your long trades. But also for those of you guys who are coming over here and you're scalping the markets, wait for trend exhaustion to get low into the bottom section, well money flow low. And you guys, do you remember how much you're looking for? 3 to 4% profit is what you guys are looking for. And I'm coming out with a masterclass tomorrow that will be launching on the website for all of our members. You guys are going to see how to scalp these markets now. And if you watch that video, guys, you are going to get jacked because there's some crazy good profits you can start making in the meantime until we get our trades back into the profit here. Real quick, guys, take a look at the overall account. We're currently sitting at 133, about 134,000. We're still doing very, very well. 150,000 is our break even, so not worried about that whatsoever. We have a super healthy account. All right, let's go over the metrics. Before we do that, let me show this to you guys really quick. Go over to pricing, scroll down. Guys, our membership is just $95 a month. I didn't do 100. I saved an extra $5 in here so you guys go get a coffee and you guys can set up the metrics and the indicator. It's so much fun, guys. So Telegram channel access of when I'm exiting all my trades, just like Avalanche. I am also telling you guys every trade I'm entering back into, which I just did for Avalanche, AVAX. The master classes, you guys get access to all of them. I was actually going to come out here and charge probably around $5,000 for all the master classes, but I decided to include it with the membership. So there you guys go. The Inner Circle, we're going to be going live March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. We're going to do an Inner Circle coaching session on crypto, so you guys can join us all with your membership. Every single month, we're going to do that. It's going to be so much fun, guys. So come here, go to the menu bar, go to the crypto charts, scroll on down here. Let's go to VeChain. Sorry, there we go. Let's take a look at the charts because these are already updated this morning. So we're working with fresh data. All right, emotional index is neutral. This makes sense. We're not pumping up really high. We're not dropping down really far. We're neutral. We don't know if we're going to break above this descending resistance or just come right back down. Let's look at more data. Pause. Let's go back here. When this is fearful in the market, that's when you guys want to look to be buying. When retail traders are fearful, that's when you want to buy because that's when the market's usually going back up. When retail traders are greedy, that's when you want to sell because that's when the institutions are going to short long traders, which are retail traders going long because they're FOMOing in thinking it's going to go to the moon. But institutions are going to short you guys out here. So use this metric to take long trades when the market is fearful and anxious and take short trades when it is excited and greedy. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. This is how we trade. We've never lost a trade, okay? Market cap strength of VET. Well, all right, let's just be honest with this. This isn't actually looking super bullish. We actually see VET moving up here, and the market cap is slightly heading up, but not that much. This tells me that although the market is going up, more money is moving into other altcoins than VET. Now, I'll tell you this. It's healthier than Cardano, and it's healthier than Dogecoin, okay? But Bitcoin is actually looking the healthiest, with market cap actually increasing on Bitcoin while the price is going up. Market cap increasing with price increasing is a bullish sign. It is a very healthy sign. What we don't want to see is price structure move up and the green line move down. That means the price is going up and money isn't following it. The big boys aren't following it, because that means money's coming out of VeChain and the price is going up all by its little lonesome. So we want to see this move together. Right now, it's actually looking pretty healthy. Trades in favor today, guys. Looking at the short trade, I believe we can absolutely get back up here with the prediction I already showed you guys. I'm not going to realisticize. That's not a word. I'm not going to overdo this and just come out here and say, oh, we're going to pump to 100+%. The next target is 30% pump in the market. It is 30% at structure high. That's undebatable, okay? But before then, I need you guys to understand that we are looking for a good short trade in the market first. My scalpers out there who are looking to trade this back down to structure support here, let me give you guys a prediction on what that percentage looks like. From where you're at right now, just to that ascending support line is about 9.3%. There's a reason why I teach you guys only 3 to 4% on scalping trades on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, it's because you can hit it like almost every single time. I actually literally did some data research on this. Okay, so in the meantime, I am looking for a drop on VET and the overall markets before we start heading back up. Okay, down here, if this is not more proof for you guys, look at this. Well institutional and smart money. Look at that ridiculous bar down here to the downside for short trades up here. Again, this is a descending resistance that we're touching. It's also an area where Wells institutions are looking to go short. Guys, this is an easy place for us to go short in the market. Now, just because our metrics show this and indicators show this, that doesn't mean it's 100% guaranteed to go up or down. Our metrics and indicators are about a solid 80%, and that's really, really good in the market. Really good, okay? Let me give you guys a scenario you need to watch for. Short trades are going to come out here so strong, I believe, that if the market comes back up here and breaks descending resistance and gets anywhere close to this area, I would say about 6 cents, that's going to hit stop losses on short trades, and it's going to squeeze out all the short traders, and it's going to force short trades to go long to make back up the losses that they made on their short. Does that make sense? That means short traders are going to go long while at the same time long traders are going long, and that's where we could target 30%. If that happens with a short squeeze, the next area I'm looking at is to target this structure up here, which is right around 59-60%, and then structure high, which is right around that mark of about 100% gain. So I want to give you guys realistic predictions of what I'm seeing in the market, but I think a 30% gain here is not unrealistic whatsoever. Honestly, by the end of the week, we could possibly see that, okay, by Friday. Because today's Tuesday, plenty of time, guys, by Friday to move up to 31% here, 30 to 31. Resistances here that we're looking at, great resistance at 6.2, and they're looking at resistance at 6.8. So 6.2 and 6.8. 6.2 is right here. That's structure. 6.8 is very close to being up here at the structure high, so you guys can see that. A move back down, you guys know where I'm looking at. I'm looking right about, I would say 4. I think this move is not going to head any lower than about 4.8. Okay, 4.8 cents. That's the ascending support line we're probably going to bounce off of. All right, couple more metrics, and let's show you guys how to get into a trade. Dollar cost average entries, incredible entry you guys snagged here. Good job for everybody following the metrics down here. You guys are getting into some low prices. Guys, VET, some people are like, we're going into a crypto winter. Guys, if it goes into a crypto winter, everything's going to freeze and there's going to be nothing left. Like VET is like almost at zero. Come on, guys. I think this market's actually going to start turning around here. Like, how much lower can this actually go? Like, look at where we've been up here, and this is where we're at. Like, yeah, it can go down further. Where's next structure support? Over here at like 7-8 cents. And it is possible to get there. Don't let me say that's not impossible. But I do think we're going to start seeing a little bit of a turnaround, and we're seeing some very bullish signs on Bitcoin that could be a precursor to the market actually coming into a pump phase, all right? This descending resistance is found on so many altcoins right now that it's just a matter of time before this thing starts exploding. Speaking of exploding, when we start moving back up here, we need to watch this metric over here for exit points to get us out of that trade. Now, we're going to hold this trade into the profit until we get back up here above our break-even entry, okay? Just so you guys know, I'm not personally in VET. You can't trade it on Coinbase. But those of you guys who get in here and you exit with me on VET, which I'm going to be looking to exit at structure high, you're going to be looked to do about 125%. Guys, there are coins that I'm going to hold into the profit where I know for a fact I will do over 120% profit on. Over 120% because I injected $49,000 into the market back here. And I'm still having positions held from that. And I showed you guys how I did that on the Telegram channel. So important you guys follow the Telegram channel. We have some trades that I'm going to wait and hold those positions we got into until we're back in the profit. Some of them are 120 to 130% profit. One of them being Solana, okay? So if you guys get in right now and just follow me in the Telegram when we exit, you're looking at probably about 120 to 130% profit. What's the only thing needed? Getting into the buy limits and patience. That's all you guys need. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you guys, and I'll show you how our account's going to grow by tens of thousands of dollars in here on this next bull run, okay? So much fun. All right, guys, scroll down here to the bottom section where it says today's trade setup. I'll show you guys how to get into that. I want to keep it private for our members, but go over to crypto charts and go to Bitcoin and scroll on down. Here we go, guys. Every single chart looks the same. 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit. Let's dive on in. You choose the amount you want to enter our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000 you want to put into VET this morning. Great entry for you guys. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250, and put $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. 4 buy limits on VET. Now, listen. Because VET is so low, this morning on the VET metrics, you are going to see, obviously these aren't the prices, you're going to see 4 buy limits. It is okay if you go ahead and use 3 of the 4 buy limits and forego using the 4th. I think 3 is totally fine because we're underneath the equator. It's a principle I taught you guys called literally the equator in crypto. It's something that we're coining with our metrics over here, and it's underneath the masterclass. And if I get time, I'll show it to you later. Use the first 3 buy limits on VET if you guys want to get in here. Okay. Once you guys get in here, make sure you're joining me in the Telegram channel because I'm going to call exits for all of these trades, as well as tell you guys exactly the trades I'm entering back into, just like I did here, where I said, hey guys, I'm entering back into AVIX with the buy limits on the website this morning, and I give you guys the link. Everything is so simple. Guys, we've never lost a trade. If you just literally want to copy everything I'm doing, like copy everything, that is at your discretion if you want to do that. I'm trading over here. I'm not a financial advisor. I need to make that very clear, but I'm going to keep trading. I have $150,000 in the market. I'm going to make as much money as I can. If you want to follow me and all of our other traders, feel free to do that. Okay, guys. Last but not least, guys, the indicators. Let me tell you this really quickly and we'll end this video. Indicators, we currently have a sell on this. It's 82% off. Guys, I know I'm pumping this up a lot because I know a ton of you guys are wanting this video. It is the masterclass for how to scalp these markets. You guys are going to love it because the money you can make is ridiculous. You need the price risk while money flow and trend exhaustion and access to the membership over here in order to take advantage of that trading strategy. Guys, it is very risk diverse. There is a lot of good risk management that puts in that, and I strongly believe it is the best scalping strategy for all of crypto. Can I just go for this just 1 second? Here's the downfall with crypto scalping strategies. They lack risk management. What a lot of people do is they choose an amount. Let's say you have $5,000 in your account and they put $5,000 in and they try to take 3 to 4%. No. You cannot do that. You must still have good risk management with buy limits. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use that in that video, as well as then take that 3 to 4% in case it goes down. You're still taking 3 to 4%. I'll explain everything in the video coming out tomorrow. But guys, you need the 2 indicators here, and I'm unshamefully telling you guys, get these right now because it is 82% off. I know they're cheap. I set the prices over here. I know we're in a bear market. I'm keeping them cheap for you guys. When the market goes back up, that's when I'm going to raise the prices because everyone's going to have money. But let me just help you guys as the market's low, and I know a lot of people are down. Let me give you a discount that's kind of ridiculous of 82% off. You'll get all of our indicators, all 9 of them. You guys get them for a one-time fee. It's not a monthly purchase. It is a lifetime. Pay once, get the source codes. Nobody can take them away from you. Okay, guys? Biggest thing to do today, guys, is get the bundle pack and get into the membership where you guys can access all of our trade setups. I do believe we are going to see a move back down on VET first, and then that's when we're going to see a possible pump back up here. And 32% is the next target I believe we could hit by Friday. It's not unrealistic. Let me show you guys a little bit more proof that I'm seeing over here. Let's do a date range. Take the price here. Take the price up here. How long did it take us to go 30%? The exact same level. It took us 3 days, 16 hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay? We could hit this by Friday. If you want to push in the weekend, that's fine. But I think by Friday, we could hit this because what did we not have over here that we have here? We have the descending resistance line that's going to act as a pump here if short trades are squeezed. So by Friday, it is a realistic prediction, guys. We could see 32%. So I would get your trade set up on VET, follow me in the Telegram channel, and then when that trade comes out here, let's say we move back down here for trend exhaustion, you guys get into a trade, and then the next time the trend exhaustion pushes to the top right section up here, guys, look to maybe take some profit on that scalping trade you're going to get into, because you're probably going to easily do 3 to 4%, maybe 10 to 20% there, because it's not hard to take a 10% gain on this. Like here's 10% right here. It's like nothing. So I think you guys will be able to secure an easy 3 to 4%, if not maybe 10 to 20% on this move. And it really is just about getting money in the market. So use the buy limits, get money in here, and literally, there you guys go. There's a 10 to 20% trade setup you can take right there. Guys, if you got anything valuable out of this channel, it means so much to me and the team if you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's more for your benefit because I just do analysis like this and you guys can get all, look at the metrics here. But really, the best thing to do is to join our family. Come over here, guys. Start trading with us. Copy everything I'm doing. You guys will be able to take all these trades with us. We did go 110 wins. Just this was yesterday. We took a 7.21% profit, and then we took another 2.83% on the other 50%. It's awesome, guys. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Everything you need is in the description. Look for this 30% pump on VET, possibly by Friday. If not, look for this move down and then a pump back up. But guys, I'm loving this. Have an amazing day. Get everything you need in the description. Click those links. Get the membership. Buy yourself a cup of coffee with the other $5 you can save here. Set everything up, and I will see you guys later, and let's do this as a family. We're going to target 120 for 120 wins in the month of March. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.